AI means artificial intelligence. It is like machinery brain. Basically, human intelligence can be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. Well, AI researchers have adapted and integrated a wide range of problem-solving techniques, including search and mathematical optimization. AI also draws upon computer science, psychology, linguistics, philosophy, and many other fields. It is very interesting. As possible, some economists have frequently highlighted the risks of redundancies from AI, and speculated about unemployment if there is no adequate social policy for full employment. It was an important point of view. In 1952, visions for how to achieve machine intelligence emerged. One vision, known as symbolic AI or GALFI, was to use computers to create a symbolic representation of the world, and systems that could reason about the world. Nice thoughts. In 1956, AI research was born at a workshop at Dartmouth College. Their students produced programs that the press described as astonishing. And in 1960, U.S. researchers was heavily funded by the Department of Defense. AI with machine general intelligence can solve a wide variety of problems with breadth and versatility similar to human intelligence.